Hey guys, Sarah Higginbotham with the Sergeant McDonald team at Realty South. Today I'm at 1159 Country Club Circle in the Riverchase golf community out here in Hoover. I am at a beautiful home. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home that has 4,700 square feet inside. Beautiful views of the golf course here behind me that you can experience from the backyard. But you guys, the master bath in this home is beautiful. You just have to come see it to experience it. The entire home is gorgeously decorated. So come see me this Sunday from 2 to 4 at 1159 Country Club Circle. That's in Hoover at the Riverchase Country Club neighborhood. All right, guys.
Oh, you knocked me out for days and days. A pointed lens, you turn your face. We could never feel comfortable.